Hello, do you want to know how I made this beautiful arrangement? If you do, please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and once again this is Femi Manuel. We're glad to have you here. For today's video, I'll be making another setup, and this time I'll be using a hard frame balloon stand from ubackdrop.com. And if you want to purchase one of this balloon stand, please visit their website. It's www.ubackdrop.com. You can use our code FEMM10 to get a 10% discount. It's time to inflate our balloons. So the balloon that we use here are 5 inches, 10 and 12 inches balloon. So for the 5 inches balloon, we inflate this to 4.5 inches. Like that. And then you just have to tie them. Okay. So for the bigger balloon, the 10 and 12 inches, no particular size on how you inflate your balloon. Put this on the side, and I already inflated a lot of them. Alright, so before we attach our balloon, 5 inches balloon right on the frame, we will use our 260 balloon. We will tie this on the frame itself. So basically you just tie your 260 balloon everywhere, and then we'll pull all over the place. The reason we put this here so we can attach the inside balloon right on the 260 balloon. Alright, as you can see, it's already attached. So you can use as many as you can, as you like. So now we start off mounting our outside balloon, the 5 inches balloon. So now we have this too. So you put this on here and then you twist. Like that. Looking good so far. So we'll continue on until you covered maybe up to this part and then all the way to the top. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you're new to the balloon industry, I will show you how to exactly put this on the frame up close. So basically you put this on here, one, and then you crisscross. So this is already locked in place. Now you put this on the other side, just like that. And basically you want to fill in the gap right here. So this one like that. The 5 inches is already attached, so now we're ready to attach our bigger balloons, which is here. So you can just put them anywhere. So this is the reason why we got this. We stick it in here. Now we will attach our flowers. So if you are new to this channel and you want to know how to make this one, we have a video tutorial up there. Please check that out. Alright, so I attach our 260 balloon on the back, and then we'll put 3 flowers on this side. Alright, and there you guys, it's finally done. I hope you liked this and learned something from this video today. If you do have a question or a suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below. This is FemMNY. I hope you learned something from this video today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. And we'll create more. We'll try to create more creations for you guys. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.